Let's reroute this video and talk about wire ducts. Hi, I'm Mike. Sometimes parts and components are very similar to each other, but there are key differences between them that result in different applications for each. In each episode of this video series from Radwell TV, we compare parts that are similar to each other, but also have their differences. Today I will be explaining the similarities and differences between a slotted wire duct and a slotless wire duct. The biggest similarity between these two wire ducts is that they are both used to protect and organize cables within an enclosure. Slotted wire ducts are wire ducts that are designed with slots or fingers along the side of them. This design construction allows for quick access to the cables within and allows for easier rerouting and elimination when they are enclosed. Typically mounted in a control panel or to a wall, the cables will be fed through an opening at one end of the tray. Pulled through the raceway, the cables can then be routed through the slots when needed to customize and organize the cables as wanted. Slotless wire ducts are the more basic of the two. These wire ducts are designed with no slots or fingers and are a solid tray. They are typically used when maximum protection and support of the cable is required and when cables are accessed infrequently. Mounted to the desired object and with no slots on the side, the cables will be fed through one end of the wire duct and pulled through the opposite end of the wire duct. The biggest difference between these two types of wire ducts is their design construction. Slotted wire ducts have slots or fingers where the cables are fed out of. Slotless wire ducts are solid trays with no slots or fingers for the cables to be fed through. This design construction difference leads to another difference. Slotted wire ducts allow for more customizations, organization, and the ability to reroute when needed. Slotless wire ducts are not easily customizable and are typically constructed and not touched again after. Lastly, slotless wire ducts provide more protection for the cables over the slotted wire ducts. Without slots or fingers, slotless wire ducts cables are shielded from any possible damaging elements. Due to the slots and fingers of a slotted wire duct, the cables are not as safe from damaging elements. Though these two components provide the same function, they have key differences that provide different abilities. Knowing what those differences are will help you better understand which one is best suited for your needs. Thanks for watching this Compare the Parts episode. For information about Radwell, visit radwell.com or connect with us on social media.